Globally, coronavirus has infected 1 crore 26 lakh people and more than 5 lakh 63,000 people have died. In India, as of now, there are a total of 8 lakh 20,000 cases of coronavirus. 2 lakh 83,000 among them are active cases. 5 lakh 15,000 have either been cured, discharged, or migrated, and 22,123 people have died due to coronavirus in India. India recorded 27,114 new cases in the last 24 hours. According to ICMR data, 2,82,000 tests were conducted yesterday. Let us now move on to important news of the day. The World Health Organization on Friday acknowledged the city's effort to contain the coronavirus outbreak in Dharavi, India's largest slum. Now, Dharavi was a hotspot in the month of June, but it has seen a sharp drop in cases in the month of July. WHO Chief Tedros said that Italy, Spain, South Korea, and Dharavi have shown the virus could be reined in through aggressive action. He said that in the last 6 weeks, cases have more than doubled. He also told a virtual press conference in Geneva that there are many examples from around the world that have shown that even if the outbreak is very intense, it can still be brought back under the control. Let's move on to next news. BioNTech and Pfizer Inc.'s COVID-19 vaccine candidate is expected to be ready to seek regulatory approval by the end of 2020, the Wall Street Journal reported on Friday, citing a German biotech firm's CEO. The experimental vaccine, which showed promise against a fast-spreading respiratory illness in early-stage human testing, is expected to move into large trial involving 30,000 healthy participants later this month. If it receives marketing approval, the companies are preparing to make up to 100 million doses by the end of 2020 and another 1.2 billion doses by the end of 2021 at sites in Germany and the United States. The World Health Organization on Thursday released new guidelines on the transmission of the novel coronavirus that acknowledge some reports of airborne transmission of the virus that cause COVID-19, but stopped short of confirming that the virus spreads through the air. In its latest transmission guidance, the WHO acknowledged that some outbreak reports related to indoor crowded spaces have suggested the possibility of aerosol transmission, such as during choir practice, in restaurant, or in fitness classes. But the WHO said more research is urgently needed to investigate such instances and assess their significance for transmission of COVID-19. The report follows an open letter from scientists that urge the global body to update its guidance on how the respiratory disease spreads to include aerosol transmission. A team of health workers, including a doctor who had gone to collect swab samples from the local people at a nearby fishing hamlet of Puntura in Kerala, where several COVID-19 positive cases have been reported, were allegedly threatened by some locals on Friday. The team had gone in a car and were forced by the agitating local people to lower the car window, and they allegedly spat on those inside the vehicles, sources from the IMA said. All the 4 healthcare workers have been asked to go into quarantine now. Chief Minister of the state Pinarayi Vijayan and Health Minister KK Shailaja have condemned the attack on the health workers. Describing the incident as the most unfortunate, Shailaja said that the health workers are ignoring their threat to their own lives and working to help the people.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.